Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desria, student identification number AC03244013 from the Biology Education Study Program at West Sulawesi University. Will present a journal on the title The Application of Local Wisdom in English Teaching as an Effort to Build Character Education. The abstract: this study highlights foreign language learning, especially English, which often ignores aspects of acculturation. English teaching tends to incorporate foreign cultural follows that might not be compatible with local cultures. To overcome these impacts and support character-based education, the integration of Indonesian local cultures follows in English learning is proposed. This is line with the goals of national education in an effort to foster the spirit of nationalism in the nation's next generation. The introduction of education is very important for the development of nations, including Indonesia, as an investment in the development of human resource. The national education system should be rooted in the values of Pancasila, the Constitution, and responsive to change times. The research highlights the importance of improving education practice by involving all parties, including girls, school, and the government, in order to form a generation capable of maintaining religious, national, and cultural values. In the context of English language teaching, it is proposed to incorporate local cultures to support character education in Indonesia. Problem statement: the need to master the English language is increasingly important in Indonesia, especially to participation in the global world. English has become one of the crucial subjects in school, with the trend of starting learning from an early age. However, in the practice of teaching English, teachers and to focus on curriculum compliant material without realizing the cultural bias that the materials may contain. It is important to present English in a cultural context, but also blend with an introduction to local culture. Otherwise, English teachers risk become ignorant of arrogant cultures that call learn to a new form of cultural imperialism. Therefore, a blend between English language teaching and local cultures is urgently needed in language education in Indonesia. Literature review: character education in Indonesia has been a major concern of the government, although it has not been explicitly mentioned in the national education system law. The government has shown commitment throughout the publication of guidebooks that focus on the integration of character education in schools. Character education aims to form individuals who are moral, responsible, and have good ethical values. Various definitions of character education emphasize the importance of instilling universal values such as honesty, respect, and responsible individual. Character development should be carried out within their respective social and cultural contexts with the aim of building a strong national character through education Therefore, the character education process needs to pay attention to the social and cultural environment of the learners. In the methodology section of English language teaching in Indonesia, it is important to pay attention to the integration of local culture in order to maintain national identity. Language teaching cannot be separate from the cultures attached to the language. Therefore, English teachers should not only teach the language but also the cultural context in which the language is used. However, teachers must be careful not to create the perception that foreign cultures is better than their own culture. The government wrote curricula such as QTSP supports the integration of local culture in English teaching. This aims to instill the character of nationalism in students and prevent the dominance of foreign cultures, especially Western cultures, which can threaten national identity. Teaching English that incorporates local cultural values will help students understand the importance of cultural diversity while still appreciating and maintaining Indonesian culture. For the success of this particular support is needed from all parties involved in language teaching, including teachers, book publishers, parents, and the government. In conclusion, in English language teaching, it is inevitable that foreign cultures are taught enrich the language. However, it is important to remember that this can lead to a greater understanding of the foreign cultures that ones or even to the extent that students internalize the values of the foreign cultures. To prevent this, educators should ensure cultural awareness and incorporate the local cultural values in English language learning. The integration of local cultures will help maintain national identity, raise awareness of nationalism, and be an important part of character education for students. That's all the discussion from me about the application of local wisdom in teaching English as an effort to be character education. Apologize if there is any mistake. Thank you for watching. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.